because we've got loads of bodywork to do. Starting off with this front section, which Bob's going to start repairing.
Yeah, I was looking at it, and it's twisted in, and this is pushed over as well. So they're meant to be parallel. The top and bottom rail there are meant to be parallel, but that's pushed over as well.
Fantastic.
So that's going to be a job to move.
Oh.
This I thought was a square section.
Yeah.
It's not. It's actually diamond shaped, so it's not far away from the shape it should be. However, it is rotated, so I'll just cut these creases out and rotate it back the other way.
Okay. Whilst Bob's doing that, I can carry on getting the seat belts out.